If you're a farmer and you haven't heard of mono pumps before, I reckon you should keep watching. With just one moving part, it's such a simple way of moving water and effluent. I've got a mono pump on my property and it pumps my stock water through about 1 kilometre of pipe, through 100 metres vertically, that's about the height of a football field. It ticks away with its 1 horsepower motor year after year and we never have to go near it. And that's the sort of application where they really shine. It all starts with the basic design principle, progressive cavity, and it's a huge advance on centrifugal pump design in many applications. They require a much smaller motor for the same pump performance. They use far less electricity and can avoid a transformer upgrade. Standard pumps are available up to pressures of 12 bar or 180 psi. There are no grease nipples, removing the need for daily maintenance. The pressure available from the pump is directly related to the length of the rotor. Doubling the length of the rotor will double the pressure available from the pump, which means you can pump that much further. They are enormously reliable, and the outstanding feature is the ability to consistently deliver the required flow and pressure to the irrigator, enabling it to spread the effluent evenly across the paddock, giving much more certainty around meeting environmental issues. Yes, there are other PC pumps on the market, but essentially you get what you pay for. 3 years ago, Mono launched a new range of farm effluent pumps, especially for the dairy industry. We trialled these extensively in both the Waikato and in Southland, and now we're launching them right throughout New Zealand. There are vertical models available for pontoon mounting, and shore-mounted models for those who don't wish to use pontoons. So it's a good idea to check with your local mono dealer as to which pump is right for you.
Hi, I'm Phil Hopkins, down here on the farm in Morrinsville. We milk 700 cows on 200 hectares. Dealing with dairy effluent is a major issue on dairy farms today. We all know how many problems we face on a day-to-day basis. Used to have a 15 horsepower centrifugal force effluent pump. We were told we were going to have to go to a 30. Cost was huge, so recently installed a mono pump, 10 horsepower mono pump, so half the size or a third of the size. The mono pump is doing a great job on our dairy farm. The effluent is being spread all around our farm and it's saving us thousands, probably in excess of $30,000 a year. The pump is pumping uphill and down dale. We get a beautiful spread at the end, even on the steeper hills. It's pumping 1.6 k's up to those hills. That's uphill about 30 or 40 metres higher than where it is by the cow shed. No problems with leakage or stoppages, even on the hills, and these hills are steeper than what you normally think of on a dairy farm. So we don't get any stop stalls or anything like that. The computer operated system in the mono pump is fantastic. I love it. If I'd installed anything but a mono pump, it would have cost me $50,000 to $60,000 more to get it installed than what I've got now. So I'm very, very happy with what I've got. This is the pump itself. I was very dubious about it at the start. Very small motor, 10 horsepower. If we'd put in a centrifugal pump, the price would have been double. We would have had to bring power around the cow shed, which was probably 100 metres. Power consumption is down. The pump just looks after itself. We don't have any problems with it. It's cheap to run. We have effluent going on our farm. Environment Waikato flowing over lots of times. No problems with them. I'd never use another pump other than mono from now on.
So there you have it. Like Phil, I wouldn't use anything else for pumping dairy effluent, and I'm pretty sure that once you've tried a mono, you wouldn't either. Mono pumps are competitively priced, they're cost effective, save you money at every stage, and are just simply brilliant. Contact your mono dealer. You won't regret it.